Menteri Sorkar patnong aiktin ke MDA ubak Wailadmiki Sylla haka arterik jelio ula ong baka Sorkar jela kalala benweng no ya ko hukum khang ti doyong Henry ula banjur baka jing penkela syaka jing ti par kat kum kajuk jing start sayan kapen I bakam treikam satya na kabentai kinong ti par kibarit barya ha Meghalaya. Ya ka jing khang ti doyong om shumla penjari da ka Sorkar jela kawan na ka NGT how arja apsaw. Hadien kata, Jylla sakhi ki jing persyak bejur, bat kabala shimru wat iki mensim brio, ong uba wailat, habak do halor ka jing klumar ke bami hadien ke hukum jong ka tribunal. Ula pensyai ru ba ka hukum khang ti doyong menta kam yeng syu. Hadien ka jing tuklar jong ka Sorkar jela, kam tam hapo ka Sorkar MDA, ya ka jing khang ti doyong lala banweng no. Ka kindon ka bamenta kalong baka jing ti par ka de benlong kat kum ka juk jing start sayan ula ong. Uba wailat ula kuburu baka jing pen biang ye ki jing don kam joko cool ministry. Kalong ka ba bat ka ba syamshi tom shibun kata habak do ya ka rukom long ki jaka hakathan bat ya ka rukom ti par ka balale nadu ki por parim. Kinong ti par ki ba he kila apply ya ka license Henry ki briu menta kila sngotu bakam long satya ka basung. Kham tam na kabentai kinong ti par ki barit barya. Hidon ya kaju ka jing sngo ula ong. Ula batai baka open cast mining kam ya hap satya bat ka rukom syong jong doyong hakathan. Udoyong ubadan hakithan jongi udai uba syong kerdan. Ladangi le da ka open cast mining kan dan satya ka jing yok nong bat kan wanra ka jing do nong ya kinong ti par ula ong. Ha bapen kan mau biang ya ka jingkit kli ba arliang jong ka Sorkar ula benram Ngisngo kia shibun kham tam ki MLA na rilum jaintia. Ha ka juk kapor, ngisngo thu bakum ka Sorkar ni haban penbiang tarajor ya ki AKA barwa. Nyimla ban penjan ya ka maryang. Bat ha ka juk kapor ni haban pentikna baga kam kamay jakpo jung ki briu ka de ban nyai beteng. Menteri ula ongru baka Jylla kanam la ban ha beteng biang ya ka jingti par tliu knai rat hole mining klem da persang shwa ya ka jingti par kat kum ka juk jing start sayan. Mentang ila persang ki babon na kinong ti par jongi ki badan ki jaka ki bahe ki lawan syakman. Henry ngisngo thu bakam dan jing mentoy. Ka open cast mining kami hap satya bat kathan jongi ula ong. Halor kani ulapan pawi ka jingdon kam ban pensngo syaka Sorkar pedeng. Nila persang Henry kam treikam. Nga thrai kapor keladai ban let ya keren ya ka Sorkar pedeng bat ban kerpat iki bakin kami yakani. Ngidon kam ban wat iki weipat kilat gilinti da ka bapendan kami ki teknologi bamenta ban nyada ya ka jing mento junginong ti par ki barit barya ula benram. La ban kedau baka NGT kalak hang ya ka jing ti doyong thliu knai ha Meghalaya ha usnam arjar khat saw. Namar ka jing sngu kia halor ka jing jot ka maryang bar ka jing shngan jongki nong ti par.
If you go back regarding this issue, it is not from the state government, it is from the NGT. And then in 2014, and in after 2014 also we have seen huge protests, fight and so many things, and we lost precious life also during those time. So and then for the information that I would like to inform each and everyone who are still confused, that right now after the intervention from the state government, especially from the MDA government, that now the coal ban has been lifted. But it's just that it has to be scientifically be mined. So we do understand that the kind of land and the kind of the way our miners mine in this area is very difficult and challenging for them to fulfill all those requirements from the coal ministry. So no doubt right now in the past few years people have been waiting and then to see that, because there were big miners also have applied for the mining license. But now I think the people have started to realize that it's not easy, and it will be difficult for, like, especially for the small miners. Exactly. And we also like share the same sentiment with them. We do know, because if they do open cast mining, it won't be beneficial anymore. because you know the kind of coal deposit we have in our area. It's in layer. So if we do this open cast mining, so it won't be they won't be getting any. They will be in loss, we'll say. So that's why me also I share the same sentiment. So I think we are especially the MLA from Jylla region. So we are very concerned regarding this, and at the same time we do realize also as a government that we have we have a responsibility to balance things. We cannot at the same time destroy environment. That is also our responsibility. And at the same time, we have to see also that the livelihood of the people should continue.
So, yeah, so in that context,
Definitely, see all this time, because how can we just go directly to the union government or to the coal ministry to say that this is we should go to rat hole mining without trying the scientific mining, you see. So we cannot. So that, but now we have tried. Many of of our miners who have big land also have come forward. So they have tried, but but by all this, one thing we realize that it won't be beneficial. I think it is not fit for our area to do the open cast mining. So now at least I think from my end as the MLA from Jylla Hills region, I think all the other members also will share the same concern with me that we have tried, but it's not beneficial. So I think it's high time now we should approach the union government, that will request them that that this thing which we are doing right now, it's not working. So maybe there are to explore other possibilities where we can keep the interest of the small miner as well. Because we are living in today's age, in today's technology. So I think if we explore, there will be I think some ways and means where I think we can keep the interest of these small miners.